welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about the overall crypto market and where I think we could be headed here. So without further ado, we are at 8,130 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe right now. We're doing 5 videos every day. Let's hop in. Alright, so right now the crypto market is basically doing the same thing. We're consolidating. I mean, if I've never seen a consolidation, this is the textbook definition here. We see Ethereum down, Bitcoin up, all these altcoins up, some are down. We're trading sideways, guys. But long story short, we are up to 28,480. Guys, last night we broke above 29,000. We're going to take a deeper dive into the Bitcoin chart later on, but I just want to explain what that means. I mean, there are so many people talking about how, we need to come down, and a lot of people are in disbelief at this rally. And when it comes to disbelief, that's usually the sign of the beginning of a larger move. When people have disbelief in a rally, or it's like it's a rally that people are so against, they're so upset that it's rallying. Usually it's going to keep going, which is a very funny thing. It's called disbelief because people can't believe it. They can't believe it. They can't buy into it. They are so burned by the bear market that they can't put their money in. And that's where I really think we're at here right now. Could we come down? Could I be wrong? Yes, I totally could be wrong. But I do think that based on the overall market sentiment and what people are saying and the price action of Bitcoin, I would say that there's a high probability that we're there. Let's take a look at CRO Coin a little bit because we are breaking above. Well, we're testing the once support and turning it into resistance, which is unfortunate. However, it is good that we're testing it at 0.0689 cents. We are above it just barely. But guys, accumulation zone. I say this in every video. This is accumulation zone territory. This blue channel, these 3 levels here, this is the time to be accumulating CRO Coin. If this is a project and business that you believe in and you have high conviction for it, this would be an appropriate time to be dollar cost averaging in. There's time on your side. There's time on your side. That's not financial advice. I have my own CRO bags, but this is a great dollar cost average spot in my opinion. However, I do think that altcoins are going to bleed against Bitcoin in the short term. But that being said, if you're not comfortable with trading around, then maybe you should just be dollar cost averaging into the projects you truly believe in. If you are comfortable with trading around, please go in the description box below, sign up with BitGet or Femex, get an $8,000 sign up bonus. All you gotta do is click the link, sign up, deposit some money, open some trades, and you can get up to $8,000 on BitGet, $4,500 on Femex, and a $600 on Binance. So there's lots of opportunities out there. But guys, let's talk a little bit more about this. So, I'm saying that I think that the overall Bitcoin dominance is going to come up, which means that basically altcoins are going to bleed against Bitcoin. So the value, your money would have more value in Bitcoin in the short term over CRO Coin, over these other altcoins. Now, I could be wrong because that's based on past events, and we can't guarantee future events based on past. But they do rhyme. Past events do rhyme. History rhymes. So it is something to look at. But let's take a look over at Bitcoin for a little bit of a closer look here because, guys, we touched 29,600 last night, about 29,300, 400. But let's look over on the daily for a closer look here. Yeah, we wicked up to about $29,200, guys. It's pretty fantastic, and we are still above on the daily of a candle closed body. I would like to see at the end of this day. I mean, if we can close at where we're at right now at the end of the day, and we keep getting these daily candle closes, I mean, guys, that's bullish continuation. It's bullish continuation leading into the Bitcoin halving, and man, when we're looking at this weekly chart and we see the Bitcoin halving here, it's coming closer and closer, guys. It's coming day by day. We're getting closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving. It's a very incredible time, guys. There's a lot of craziness happening in the world, in the financial world, especially with banks collapsing, and the macroeconomics have been rough for years now. It's been years, since 2019. Um, they basically threw a wrench in the washing machine, and that's kind of where we're at right now. And but the one thing that is really proving itself is that people are realizing that Bitcoin is potentially a safe haven asset. And that's very, very cool to see, because that's why Bitcoin was created back in 2008. When the financial crisis was happening in 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin to basically be a safe haven asset from the centralized entities. And right now, that is basically what's happening. Bitcoin is doing its job, which is very, very intriguing to see, and very it's very poetic, I would say, because of how it was created in 2008, guys, and because he thought, well, next time this happens, and of course everyone says, oh, there will never be a 2008 again. There will never be a 2008. Well, guess what, guys? Right now, not to be the bearer of bad news, we're having a 2008 financial crisis on steroids. So it's very, very poetic to see. He was right. He was right. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. I really appreciate it. On the S&P 500, we are making green candle moves to the upside right now, which is what I'd like to see. I'd like to see a candle close above 4,054, 55 on the S&P 500. If we could really break above the 4,085, that would be massive. And our next stop would be about testing the $4,200 level. But on the weekly, that's a more important thing to be looking at here. We're bouncing off the once heavy resistance, and now we're turning into support, which is very bullish in my opinion. Very, very bullish. As long as we don't come back down, this is bullish, guys. This is great bullish move. But I will also say, we really have to see what the Federal Reserve has to say. I mean, if they keep printing money and raising rates at the same time, I don't think really anybody knows what will happen. But if they print money, well, the party's back on. But if they keep raising rates and they stop printing money, well, you know that story back here, don't you? Over the past year and a half, 400 and so days of downward price action, bear market. But guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. Also, please consider becoming a member on the channel. All you gotta do is go down below this video, click the join button, and you get access to these custom emojis, custom loyalty badges, as well that you can use in our comments or our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. As well, you get access to our private Discord. Our CryptoKip and I have trade signals, NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, and well as more of a one-on-one community with CryptoKip and I. And on top of that, you get 10 additional entries each month. You are a member to winning this loaded line NFT, which is worth about $2,500. Pretty excited to give this away, guys. That's all I got. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.